So check this out, guys. So this looks like an ordinary toothbrush case, but it's actually a super portable, very compact UV sterilizer for your toothbrush. It's called Bril. And what's so neat about it is you just gotta pop this open and your toothbrush goes right in here. And as soon as you close the door, that UV light comes on. So that UV light is supposed to kill 99% of the bacteria and germs that's left on your toothbrush in between your brushing. But if you're a skeptic like me, I wanna see results and I wanna know that it's not just some blue light bulb. So let's take a look at some of the test results that I did. So the test I did was on some Petri dishes and you just see what grows on there. But this is the sponge, the dish sponge, and as you guys can see, there's like a ton of stuff growing on it. That's pretty gross. And so I did one with my toothbrush before Bril, and this was disgusting. Like, I didn't even know this kind of stuff was on there. And really, after I did this test, I took the same toothbrush, put it into the Bril, did the whole cleaning, and I did a test with that, and look at how much it took off. I mean, there's still some stuff because that was only the first time of using Bril, but like, if you can see, it's just crazy. It's like 70, 80% less. I mean, that's probably even more than 80%. So you can see dish sponge. This is before Bril, after Bril. It definitely made a big difference. So those were the test results, guys. And if you're a germaphobe like me and you want that peace of mind that you're gonna be brushing your teeth every single time with a super clean toothbrush, definitely check out Bril. It really works. I highly recommend it. Check it out.
Hey guys, so I got some bad news today. I just got back from the dentist and he told me that I still have tooth decay. And he says tooth decay comes from bacteria. And he gave me some bad news. He says that bacteria could be right here on my toothbrush. You know, bacteria could come from flushing the toilet. He told me it's airborne. So it could come from the sink. It could even come from touching my toothbrush to my wife's toothbrush. It's just gross. So he gave me an idea. He said, why don't you try this brand new product? It's called Bril. It's brand new on the market. And what it does is it uses light to be able to kill the germs on your toothbrush. So check it out. This is easy. You just pop it open, pop your toothbrush right in it, just like that. Look at that. And you close it, boom, and the light turns on. What that does is it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bristles. The entire brush gets completely sanitized and sterilized. So what that does is it takes care of the bacteria. I'm not introducing it into my mouth every time I brush my teeth. What's gonna happen? My teeth are gonna be cleaner. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna have less tooth decay. This is what I want. So my dentist said, use this, use it every day. And every time you pop your toothbrush out of this, it's like having a brand new toothbrush every single time. It's sparkling clean and it's perfect. That's what I want. That's what I need. I can't be getting germs in my mouth and I cannot be introducing bacteria at my age. I don't want to get sick. I've got kids, I've got grandkids. What I want to do is take myself seriously and keep my oral health on point. And I'm going to do that with Bril. And I think you should too. Check it out. It's brand new on the market. I think you're going to love it. I know that I'm going to use this for gifts because I love my family. I'm thinking my daughter and my grandkids. Hey, maybe even my wife too.